Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, where we bring you the hottest rides, legendary revivals, and the most exciting automotive news from around the globe. Today, we're taking you straight into a perfect fusion of vintage style and modern power, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. This isn't just a pickup, it's a time machine with horsepower, built to capture the heart of any car enthusiast while delivering all the comfort and capability of today's trucks. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is its striking retro-inspired design. It's a clear nod to the iconic 1951 Chevy 3100, famous for its rounded curves, bold grille, and timeless presence on the road. Chevrolet has done an outstanding job of retaining those heritage cues while integrating modern features like LED headlights and taillights, flush-fitting panels, and aerodynamic lines that keep it relevant in today's market. This truck has presence, whether it's parked at a local car show or rolling down Main Street, it draws attention. Under the hood, Chevy offers multiple powertrain options to fit different lifestyles. For traditionalists, there's a robust naturally aspirated V8 that delivers the deep, satisfying rumble. For those who prefer efficiency with performance, a turbocharged V6 brings a strong balance of torque and fuel economy. And for the forward-thinking driver, an all-electric variant offers instant torque, zero emissions, and surprisingly quick acceleration. Pair these engines with either a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic or a seamless single-speed transmission in the EV, and you've got a truck that feels modern no matter which version you choose. Step inside the cabin, and the nostalgia continues, but with a luxurious twist. The dashboard carries cues from the 1951 design, but they've been reimagined with high-end materials, a large infotainment touchscreen, and a fully digital driver display. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a Bose premium sound system make the interior feel like a high-end lounge rather than a work truck. Chevy has managed to create an environment that honors the past while embracing all the tech and comfort we expect in 2026. Driving the new 3100 is where you truly appreciate the blend of old and new. Thanks to its modern chassis, suspension, and steering systems, this truck is smooth and composed on the highway while remaining agile enough for city driving. And if adventure calls, the available off-road package adds beefy all-terrain tires, skid plates, and increased ground clearance, making it just as ready for trails as it is for a Saturday night cruise. When it comes to practicality, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 doesn't just look good, it works hard too. It offers a capable bed with a durable liner, multiple tie-down points, and even an available power-operated tailgate. Depending on the configuration, it can tow and haul impressive loads, meaning it's not just a showpiece, it's a functional tool for work or play. Safety is a priority as well, with a suite of advanced driver assist technologies coming standard. Features like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera make every drive safer and more convenient. For those who remember how bare bones the original 3100 was in terms of safety, this modern upgrade is nothing short of revolutionary. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck isn't just a revival of a beloved classic, it's proof that the past and future can coexist beautifully. It's a truck that offers timeless style, modern performance, and everyday usability in one package. Whether you're a fan of classic Chevys, a collector looking for something unique, or simply someone who loves driving a head-turning vehicle, this 3100 delivers. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your favorite feature in the comments, and subscribe to Car Trend for more reviews, first looks, and coverage of the best vehicles hitting the roads today. This is just the beginning of what's to come, and you won't want to miss it.